How to fix Spotify friend activity not updating on Spotify. Today guys, I have the solution how to fix and solve this problem. Just watch this video till the end. So let's start. So first you have to go and open settings of your phone. Then you have to go directly to apps or applications, and here you will find out the applications that you have on your phone. So what you should do, just go and search for Spotify, and when you found it, just go to storage option and go to clear data, click OK, and go back and click on force stop and click OK. And the last thing is go into Play Store and update your Spotify again. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Do not forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.